Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. As you see, we are about to eat our food swallow we prepared. Okay, so this is pumpkin swallow, okay, with plantain. Watch out for my previous video how we prepare this plantain and pumpkin swallow. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Come and join us as we want to eat. Okay,
beautiful people, you are invited.
Yes, so you are invited. Yeah.
Philip, yeah.
You see the texture of this food. This is plantain and pumpkin.
Plantain and pumpkin.
So, Philip with the vegetaton. Yeah, it.
Thank you, Jesus, for providing and sanctifying this food.
Thank you, Jesus. Eat food.
Eat. This is so
yummy.
So yummy.
Manela leaf meat, eat this. Wow, we are eating it with egusi soup with goat meat.
In fact, this thing is delicious.
It's yummy.
Wow.
Philip,
eat.
That is how swallow is supposed to be.
Wow, I love this one. At first, the plantain, when plantain is getting cool, it will be getting solid.
Leave meat, eat food. It's on my YouTube channel how we prepare it.
Beautiful people, you need to try this.
You need to try it on.
Pumpkin and plantain swallow.
Yeah,
it can go well with almost any soup.
Wow. I like it with this egusi soup.
Wow, it has this delicious continuous delicious taste.
Philip, eat.
Philip, eat. Yes. Philip.
Jẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ má jẹ́ o. Wọ́n jọ lọ tọ̀hún sórí fún yín.
Like, share, comment. Turn up the notification bell to all.
Support us with your subscription. Philip.
Turn up the notification bell so that whenever we post a video, you'll be the first to be notified. This is our goat meat.
Bye. In fact, this one.
I like this.
You see? This is the 3 nylon.
The result.
We finish it. Ẹja ló ń fún mọ́wọ́ báyìí. Wá.
Like, share, comment. How we prepare this egusi soup is also on our YouTube channel. We have various type of egusi. We have egusi Jebu. Say subscribe. Philip, say subscribe. Subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye bye.